What's going on, y'all? It's Booker Forte, aka Footwork Forte, Inglewood, Illinois. I'm going to explain to you today how to do this 360 moonwalk. My boy's making mad jokes. Alright, but what we're going to do is, first let me explain to you that this is the original moonwalk. Before MJ coined the term and turned this into the moonwalk, it was literally this one. Alright, so we're going to learn the original moonwalk, the 360 moonwalk, okay? And I'm going to break it down to you as heel, heel, toe, toe. And it's going to be, when I mean heel, heel, toe, toe, first you're going to click. This is the miming part, like the upper body part. When I mean click, pretend like there's a glass right here, and you're like pressing your hand against the glass, and you're clicking, alright? And that's going to set it off. Heel, heel. The higher your toes are up, the less friction. And what we're going to do is rotate on your heels. Okay? Both toes up. You click, and you can do a little cobra. They call it a cobra. It's when you just go shoulder to shoulder. You can even lift up your stomach or your chest as well, like with the inhale. Boom. Alright? Boom. All of it's like all at once. So take it at a time. Take it slow. For right now, it's click, and then heel, heel. You're going to go toe, toe. Toe, toe. And then you bend your knees. You bend it. Go heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Alright, this is one of the ways MJ would do it. He would have his hands like this. After he would do that, he would have his hands right here, almost come into a lean, and then he'll come out of it with the bend. Click, boom, boom. And all he's doing is heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. And really, you don't even want to lift up your feet too much. Okay? Because you lose the illusion sometimes. But heels, toes. Heels, toe. I'm doing it slow, trying to let you guys see every little bit. So I'm kind of like falling off, but just have it just like that. Boom. And you can use your clicks for the illusion. Click. 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 And use your cobra and your ISO for the top part. Click. Click. Alright. Heel, heel, toe, toe. The other part, this is kind of like the way G does it. G meaning genuine. He would slide into it. Genuine would too. And so would all like the street cats. Everybody slides into it. So when I mean by slide into it, instead of going heel, heel, toe, toe, and just keeping it like that, you can do it like this, and slide in, slide out. That makes it a little bit more bigger. You can see the illusion a little bit more. Depends if you want to be compact or bigger. It's your choice. But just slide out. Slide in, slide out. That way, you do the click in the heels. This time you use your left foot and your left toe, and you bring it in. Use your leverage on your left thigh. That means you're not leaning back. If you're leaning back, you're not using your left thigh's leverage. What I mean by leverage, you want all the pressure on this front leg. You're going to keep the back heel down on his heel and slide it in. Then go toes, and then heel, and then slide that back like a baby moonwalk. Alright, so you're going to click, slide it in, use your leverage, left toe, right heel, toe, toe, and then you push off with your right toe to get it out of it. Right toe, heel down, left heel down, rotate with the heels, bring it in again, rotate, push out, heel, heel, Alright, so those are the two ways. Two ways to do it. At the end of this tape, I'm going to show you guys up close what my footwork is doing. If you can't see it or you just want a different angle. But just remember, when you do this, focus on your clicks. Boom. Boom. After you do like the pretend of the glass, the miming part, make sure like you contract your muscles. Like, boom. You show them the force of you leaving. Boom. 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 Alright. Heel, heel, toe, toe. And then slide in, left toe, leverage on the left leg, right heel down, toe up, push back. Right toe, right leverage, right thigh leverage, pull the left heel back. Boom. Heel, heel, left toe in. Alright, that should be it. If you have any more questions, just comment and I'll answer them for you. But hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go.